So the Vancouver Police, the RCMP, and the provincial health authorities have come together to raise awareness and provide education on the dangers of fentanyl. Fentanyl is a synthetic narcotic that has been showing up in liquid, powder, and pill form and can be masked in virtually any consumable product. This makes it particularly high risk for those who have never used narcotics or people who mistakenly use fentanyl thinking it is something else. Over the past 3 years, there have been a steady increase in the number of illicit drug overdoses in which fentanyl is detected, either alone in combination with other drugs. Given the spike in overdose deaths, police and health authorities believe there is an increased amount of fentanyl in circulation, and we are warning those who use drugs, even on a recreational basis, of the increased danger, especially as they may be unaware of what they're taking. Timing is relevant, as tomorrow we'll be announcing a series of arrests and a major fentanyl bust.
Over the past 3 years, public health authorities in this province have been increasingly concerned about the role that fentanyl has been playing in illicit drug overdose deaths. The Coroner's Service of British Columbia reports approximately 300 illicit drug overdose deaths every year in this province. In 2012, about 5% of those were associated with fentanyl. And in 2014, that jumped up to 25%. In 2014, 25% of illicit drug overdose deaths were associated with fentanyl.
We know that the people that are dying of fentanyl in the Vancouver Coastal Health region are not users of Insight. They're recreational drug users who are snorting or smoking their drugs and are not using them by injection. And so that speaks to the importance of this campaign. We need those people to understand the risk that's present in the community right now. We need them to know how to recognize an overdose. People may be having trouble talking or walking, trouble breathing, they may start snoring, they may pass out. We need people to understand what to do if an overdose happens. They need to call 911 and they need to stay with that person.